Difference between pipe and tube. A pipe or a tube is often interchangeably mixed when used to describe a long cylinder. However, there are many differences between the two, which can determine whether one is appropriate to use over the other. A pipe and a tube are both hollow cylinders which are used to pass liquids through, carry small solids or powders. Both are created to be rigid and permanent contributions from an engineering standpoint. When pipes are made, they are typically set around certain sets of measurements and diameters, as opposed to a tube which can be made on varying measurements. This is one of the few differences between a pipe and a tube. Pipes and tubes are used for transporting various gases and liquids, in water systems and steel structures. Tubes and pipes can be made of many items depending on what they will be used for. There are metal, plastic, fiberglass, and even copper tubing and pipes. Pipes and tubes made from aluminum are ideal for transporting heat. Copper tubes are typically used in residential plumbing unless the home is older. The pipes or tubes could be made of lead. Plastic tubes and pipes are made of polyvinyl chloride, PVC. PVC is one of the most widely used building materials. It is used in water systems across the country. These plastic pipes and tubes are used in drinking water systems and wastewater systems. In order to create a system of channels, pipes and tubes are created by welding the ends together or using a compression fitting. When creating a pipe, there are various ways of determining the outside diameter. In the United States, it is called the nominal pipe size. Manufacturers are able to obtain all dimensions of a pipe or tube by measuring the outside diameter and the thickness. Subtracting the thickness of the tube or pipe from the outside diameter will give the nominal pipe size. Depending on the material of the pipe, there are also other methods of determining its measurements. Pipes and tubes, prior to their implementation in engineering, must meet certain standards. These tests ensure that pipes are able to carry certain amounts of pressure, certain temperatures of water, and certain amounts of hydrogen. Additionally, the pipes and tubes are certifiably authorized for use in commercial and residential buildings. Tubes and pipes are similar almost in every way. The minimal differences are not enough to distinguish between the two, unless you're an engineer working with either of the two items. Overview: a pipe and a tube are, by definition, both hollow cylinders used to pass liquids through them. The measurements for pipes are based around standard diameters and thicknesses. Tubes vary in both thickness and diameter. Using the nominal pipe sizing method will give all the dimensions of any given pipe or tube. Pipes and tubes can be made of plastic, ceramic, aluminum, and many other sturdy items. Each pipe and tube that are used for engineering purposes are certified and checked for stability and any other problems.